Right, you saw that in this very video. Akunara Tugo, they need to bring 2 goats for him. They brought about 2 goats to this Akunara Tugo, and some chickens or birds, as you may call it. Now, this very video, this person you see here died in his father's house. The Akunara Tugo ought to make a letter available to the family with threats and all that. And I can also tell you that on that very day, Akunara Tugo collected 3.4 million naira from these people, and also collected their brother's corpse. If you watch the environment very well, Akunara Tugo received this corpse in his own house. At this point, it was no longer in Ogugabo shrine. Akunara Tugo received this corpse in his own house. As you can see from the gate, it is just in front of his own house. That's Akunara Tugo's compound. So before we support some of these things and say tolerate this person or allow this person, as na Bafo or Manamana Potafia. So he has gone as far as receiving corpses in his house. So the police and the Anambra State government should ask him, after receiving this corpse in his own house, they submitted this one at Akunara Tugo's house. What did he do with the corpse right in his own compound? These are questions we needed to ask. Did he?
The meaning of Parusi Bukanaro Nanso, una fona problem. Felixia, Bukele, Debepa, Roboseta. Huh? Apa items in Suklaba. Una Fusobu, Ubitelezinonia, I got your attack, a butcher. I know Pusino Pasita, I got you there. Nakam walk up on his own. You sir, everything walk about. Same with him. A tour. I have for about 5 years ago.